Okay, the Spurs have swept Memphis, and so this is what typically happens when they win. Each time they've won in this last series, quarterfinals, whichever. This is Market Street here, and next over is Commerce. This is Monday night, 27th of May 2013, and the Spurs are going to the NBA Finals. So naturally, everybody that's got a horn to honk is out here honking it. And this goes on for like 2 hours. Tonight it might go on for 4 hours. It's now about 11:30. And this is below the Drury Plaza Hotel here on Market Street, going up to St. Mary's. I don't know how this is going to turn out visually, but the sound I'll upload this. I'm uploading other videos anyway, so I'll upload this along with the other ones. Maybe they can fix the visuals so you can see something, but the sound is what is more important. Normally, on a normal night, there's hardly any traffic down here this time of night. I'm going to cut this off at 4 minutes.